individuals that got caught. Damn, I wouldn't want to be in jail on a Friday night. I don't know about you guys, but I don't see that as a fun way to spend my weekend. Or the next couple of years, if you will. All right, here we go. So that is good. Let me see. Can you guys hear me? Can I get a thumbs up if you can hear me? Can I get a thumbs down if you can't hear me? We got 36 people on one stream. We got 18 people on the other stream right there. Let me see. A Green Knight Bandit. What is this live? What up, Green Knight Bandit? Let me see. 99 Problems. 4-3. Those free the fellas. Let me see. Mona James, if you will, please. Leash. All right, cool. I got the thumbs up, if you will. Let me go ahead and make sure we got okay. So I got this ready. This is good. We can see. Damn, the cops are just chilling right there, just posted up. You know, I'm like, hey, what are you gonna do for the weekend? You know what? I'm gonna tell you what I'm not gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be in jail like these losers. Yeah, right. Oh, you're so funny, Daryl. Daryl. That fool's name is Daryl. How do you know his name is Daryl? I don't know. I'm just guessing. I just threw a name out there. Hey, Lori, thank you for the like. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Oh, Daryl, you're back. You're so strong, Daryl. Oh, no, man. This is there's two women and one guy. I seen some raunchy flicks start like that before. Man, Daryl's about to drill him, if you will. Damn, James, you're out of control. Did you just wake up? Let me see, Jessica. I don't want to spend my day enjoying that. That's right, Jessica. Hey, what up? What up, Ben? What up, Rita, if you will? Let me see. Thank you, Darian, for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Green Knight Band is laughing. James, you have the most beautiful big dark eyes. Damn, Mona. Hopefully my wife's not on the chat. You're setting me up for failure on that one right there. And my wife's she's gonna come home. Woo, forget about it. Hey, that's another way I don't want to start my weekend right there. Hell nah, in the doghouse. No, thank you. Let me see. Hey, James and the court bandits. That's right. I'm sure your wife will agree with me. She might agree with you, but she might have a question or two. Let me see. That guy really likes your eyes. No couch this week. Let me see. Hey, Lauren, thank you for the follow. And Leo, thank you for the follow. Last time we will see you. Hey, what up, Hot Mess Express? Where you at? Where you at? Let me see. I think I got everything up and ready for the stream tonight. We're going to get into it tonight. Hopefully they have a good roster tonight. Hey, what's up, Liz? How's it going? Welcome to You Have a Collect Call from. What up, James? Oh, the audio is on. We might get some. We might get some the conversation right there between. Oh, the coppers are laughing. You see, I told you, you're so strong. I told you. They're all over that vato right there. Man, hey, don't make me get out my taser on you. Let me see. Orale, Carson. James laughing and say, hell yeah, you better believe that, Nicole. Scared for my life. Let me see. Hey, what up, Brian? How's it going? Welcome back to a brand new episode where you never know what you're gonna get here. It's like a box of chocolates right here with individuals we're gonna be getting. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you for that daily heart. And I think we're all set. We're ready to go. Let me see. Red, did you just start? Yeah, we just started. Court hasn't started yet, so you showed up at the perfect time. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and adjust the visuals right here so you guys don't miss out on any of these defendants here, the shirts that they're wearing. Because I got to think for the shirt there. What kind of shirts are we going to? The other night we saw two Tupac shirts the other day. So Tupac seems to be popular amongst the crowd out there in Maricopa County, if you will. Let me see. Hey, Katie, thank you. What up? Welcome, if you will. All right, court should be starting in about 4 minutes or so. The cops are scrambling around here.
Because while I was printing the commissioner moved the order
Are they going to bring anybody in with on a Hannibal Lecter wheelie, if you will, or dolly, if you will? Let me see. Maria, hey, what's up? Thank you for the thumbs up. Highly appreciate you. Hey, what's up, guys? Let's get the thumbs up. I see we got on one of the streams, we got a 1,505. Oh, hold on. We got 1,005 for taps on the screen right here. Let's go ahead and at least get up to 10,000, right? Like, come on. Hey, Kelsey, thank you for that. Daily Heart, highly appreciate you. On the other stream, we got 69 people. We got 1,000 taps. Who could get us to the 10,000 taps first? The old stream, the one that has the straight up projector, or the new stream with the clear screen, if you will? Who can win? Who could do it better? Did somebody say 5-5? Let me see. Where are we? Come on, Brian. You already know. This is Maricopa County. Who's going to be running court this late at night? Nobody else but Maricopa, if you will. Heath, thank you for that Daily Heart, if you will. What kind of cases are we going to be getting tonight? Are we going to be getting some shoplifting from, I wasn't about to say from the TikTok shop, or should I say from Target? Hey, thank you for that Daily Heart, Jules. Highly appreciate that. What are we going to get? Shoplifting from Target, Walmart, or your Circle K? Hey, Jimmy, how's it going? Give me a feigner. Man, we haven't seen a feigner in quite some time, but we need one or two feigners, or two people feigning at the same time. That'll be epic right there. Or Local Home Depot. Let me see. Are we gonna get somebody with a DUI? Maybe let me see. Extreme DUI. Because it is the weekend. How else would somebody want to start their weekend? What's up, Maui? How's it going? Welcome back to a brand new episode of The Price Is Wrong. Let me see. Or a taser. Oh, hey, that taser one. That was a good one, man. Damn, I knew that fool was gonna blow up. I saw that coming from a mile away. My spidey senses were definitely tingling that day. Let me see. Alexis or hey, Patrick, thank you for that Daily Heart. Highly appreciate you, if you will. Let me see. Hey, thank you guys. I see we got 62 people. We got 1,000.6K taps. On the other stream, we got 3,306 taps, if you will. Thank you guys. Let me see. Jessica, I'm sure there will be oh no, yeah, there's always gonna be a pipa charge in the bunch. That's guaranteed. Let me see. I was actually telling my dad about that guy last night. Oh man, and if you ever want to catch the playback of that video, it's located on the YT page, if you will. So man, let me see. Hey, Maui, let me see. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It's free and easy. That's right. Also, it's all, hey, for sure. Hey, that's what I want. I need some thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't, for whatever reason, if you don't like me, if you don't like the commentary. But if you're here and you don't like the commentary, what brings you in? Is it my mustache? Is it the CO20s? What is it? Let me see here. Oof, sorry, don't mean to say a word. You can say my bad. What did you say? Let me see. Janelle, thank you for that Daily Heart. Highly appreciate that right now. Becca, hey, how's it going, if you will? And for those of you that might be thinking right now, damn, James he's energized. He got a lot of energy tonight. It's because I just woke up from my daily nap. I went to work today. I had to wake up at 4 a.m. I did an 8 hours of hard labor, and by what I mean by that is paper pushing, because I'm a straight up paper pusher. I don't do any type of hard labor. Don't give me a what do you call it, my cloud. I don't want to have nothing to do on my cloud. And anybody that's done what is that called, the community service, you guys know what my cloud is. And man, my clouds, they're not good in my hands. My cloud, look at these hands. I can't hold my cloud. Look at this, man. Can't have any blisters on this. I don't got no calluses on these hands. Look people. I'm not a hard labor type of person. Let me see. Wildland firefighter. What? Let me see. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Let me see. I just type for 8 hours a day. That's my type of job right there. Hell, sign me up. Put me in, coach. Yeah, I'm not a hard labor type of person, so. But that's just me. Let me see. They use the McLeods. Oh man, Sergio. Ooh, man. I remember, man. I used to hate when I was in camp and they used to put me on the McLeod. I used to hate it. I used to hate the McLeod. Man, those were like the worst 4 or 5 hours on the McLeod that I used to do when I was in camp. Let me see. He's an inmate. That's right. Let me see. I just typed for 8 hours. Let me see. What's up, Jen? How's it going? Let me see. Raging. Let me see. I'm a wild firefighter. What? Hell yeah, man. I heard it's dangerous. I couldn't be a firefighter, man. Risking my life to save other people. I don't know. I think I'm a little bit more. I want to preserve my life, if you will. But yeah, shout out to you. Not everybody could do those type of work, those type of jobs. Man, just thinking about being out there in like in the forest or oh no, my family's home. My wife is home. I gotta settle down. Let me see. I went to fire camp Pine Grove, 94 to 95. Pine Grove, that's in is that Bakersfield? I know it's not LA County because I'm familiar with all the camps from LA County. But if I would have to guess, I would say Pine Grove would be in Bakersfield, right? Kern County. Tell me if I guess right. I don't know. Hey, what up? How's it going? Welcome back to a brand new episode of You Have a Collect Call From. Thank you for sharing. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. I'm a medical assistant at a children's neurology clinic. Man, that's what's up. Let me see. My father was a volunteer firefighter for five years. What, Jay? Let's see. I'm glad you're alive, man. Me too. I'm glad I'm alive too. Ooh. I gotta blow these up. Yeah. It's my daughter's birthday, and I gotta blow up these balloons. Man, tomorrow's her birthday. She doesn't have her birthday back. She's gonna be turning 7 years old. Oh, wrong one. Hey, what's up, Hector? How's it going? Let me see. Let me get these balloons going before court starts. I need right now, since I got some good lunch right now. I could definitely blow these up right now. Let me see. What design did we get? Oh, we got cinnamon roll up on the. And this is not a promotion. I'm not trying to sell balloons to you guys, but we got cinnamon roll. All right, if you will. Pine Grove is. Okay. Hey. Thank you for that, Sergio. Definitely wrong guess on my end over there.
All right, thank you. May be seated.
Super cute. All right, there we go. We got one ready. How many did I get? I got 4 balloons I got to blow up right now.
All right, good evening. My name is Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell, and this is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for October 10th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for a court-appointed attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. Appreciate you. At the conclusion of your case, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will detail my complete orders in your case. It will also contain the dates, times, and locations of your future hearings. All right, we are going to start this evening with Oscar Cuellar, please.
All right, this is the 4th one. Arthur, come on down to The Price Is Wrong. Let me see. I'm a CEO at the oldest pen in Northern California. Gracias a ti, mama.
All right, sir, go ahead and state your name.
Oscar Cuellar.
And Mr. Cuellar, what is your date of birth?
3/3/1985.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in your matter CR 2022-141772. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you were eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. I am setting a hearing on October 20th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Pursuant to that failure to appear arrest warrant, I am holding you non-bondable in this matter.
We hear about the lady that got pregnant in jail?
Forward.
Was that the one in Florida?
Dennis Lucas, please, and then Zion Kilgore.
If it is that woman from Florida, yeah, it happened like last year, unless it's a new one, which is highly possible.
All right, Mr. Lucas, go ahead and state your name, please.
Dennis Lucas.
And Mr. Lucas, what is your date of birth?
October 17, 1982.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because you were arrested earlier today on charges of aggravated assault,
Why is he touching
with a deadly
himself?
weapon, or dangerous instrument.
I'm
I
waiting for
did
him to go like
find
this.
probable cause for that. I am appointing you an
Muy caliente.
attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 and October 20th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $75,000. In the event that you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with any alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons, you are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you are not to possess or consume any alcohol.
Damn, this was just touchy. He's all up
All
on
right, do you have any
himself.
questions?
I do. I got a lot of questions.
All right, go ahead, step to the left, officers, have your paperwork.
Damn it.
All right, Zion Kilgore, please.
She's not messing around today. Yup. Assault with a deadly weapon. Damn. Thank you, Mimi. Sheesh. 3D printer.
All right, hold on
3D
just a
prints next
second.
door. Hey, did somebody say 3D printed? 3D printed? I'll show you some 3D printed goodies. Got the,
In number 8, there is a victim statement attached that needs to go with number 13.
I'm not sure what happened to my 3D printed, what do you call it, mustache combs right here. So I just had to print out
All
a
right,
bunch of
sir,
them.
go ahead, state your name, please.
Zion Kilgore,
And Mr. Kilgore, what is your date of birth?
04/28/1979.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2020-113737. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500.
Hell no,
In the
Brian.
event
This
you are
is,
able to
we're doing
post that bond
Amazon
and
job
secure your
interviews
release,
right now.
I am
This
reminding
late.
you, because you are on probation, you would need to
Yes, thank you
contact
for
your
the follow.
probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer, has your paperwork. Yes,
I was
sir.
gonna ask, is because I did turn myself in, is it possible to lower it or no?
So,
Is she gonna lower it? Do you guys think she's gonna lower it? Damn. Hey, nice shot right there. You know, trying to shoot a shot to try to get it lowered or whatnot. Is this live? Hell nah, this isn't live. This is AI generated, man. As a matter of fact, I'm in bed sleeping right now. You know, it's pretty amazing what AI could do nowadays. It's pretty highly advanced. What's up, Super Ro? Have you heard from Ricky? You know what? No, Brittany. I've been thinking about calling him. I'll probably give him a call tomorrow to check how he is. This is this is future court for tomorrow. That's right, Alexis. Ay ay ay.
I do think it is a...
Damn, is she gonna give in? Is she
I
gonna
think
give
it's a
a break?
significant step to turn yourself in, and I think that that was a really good thing for you to do. Certainly, you know, let your attorney know that when you go to appear before the court on the 17th. However, in view of the continued victim contact that is alleged in the PTR, I'm going to go ahead and leave that $1,500 secured appearance bond set.
Yes, sir. Is that so cash or secured?
What up,
It
Kim?
is secured, so you can work with a bond company to post it.
All right, thank you.
Hey, thank you for that. C. Wall,
All right,
welcome back.
Eric Smith, please, and then Haley Anderson.
Hey, good try though. Good try. You know, he tried to do that one. He tried to shoot, and it was nothing but air. Better luck next time on the Price is Wrong. Hey, thank you guys. I see one stream we got 2.6K taps. On the other stream we got 11,000. Hey, what's up, guys? Let's get up to 20. Let's get up to the FYP. It is Friday night, and it's a good day night to be in jail or in custody. And if you're in jail watching this, better luck next time. Don't drop the soap, por favor. Hopefully you're not using let me see. Love the live with Gary. Man, Gary, man. Shh. That's what's up, man. Gary's out. Gary is out. Let me see. Happy Friday, big dog. What up, Josh? No, it's not.
All right,
What
Mr.
up, bro?
Smith, go ahead, state your name, please.
What kind of shirt is that?
Mr. Smith, what is your date of birth?
12/3/93.
All right, sir, you are here
Hold
this
on.
evening
I
because the
can't even see
Maricopa
this.
County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your case
kind
of
of shirt is
CR
that?
2023
Can you guys make it out?
155010
Is it Friday the 13th?
CR 2024
Oh, it is a Friday. Oh, I'm gonna have to look it up right now.
1045. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those matters, I
Friday
am
the
setting
13th.
hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 23 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $750. In your 24 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you that you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. All right, Haley Anderson, please.
Oh, is it October 10th?
Haley
Anderson.
No, it was the
And Ms. Anderson, what is your date of birth?
4/11/93.
Go ahead and get it lightheaded
Thank
here.
you. All right, ma'am, you are here this evening on two matters. We're going to go ahead and talk about your Maricopa County matter first, and then you've got a justice court matter. All right, the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest
All right, here you go.
based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2024-148312.
Gracias, mama.
In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond in your probation case in the amount of $250. Now, you are also
1993?
here because
In Miami, two brothers had
the El Centro Justice Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in their matter stemming out of a March 19th, 2025 charge of possession of drug paraphernalia.
I found
In
the
that
shirt.
matter, I am appointing
found the
you
Friday
an
the
attorney
13th shirt.
for purposes of representation regarding the
It's on
bond
eBay.
issue only because I am setting a $500 secured appearance bond in that matter.
It's
I am also
$14.
setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in El Centro Justice Court.
I'll put up on the
All
screen.
right, in
for
the event
those-
you are able to
for
post
those
your
of you that
bond and
wanna
secure your release, I am
copy
reminding
it.
you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork.
So that shirt.
Brian Valenzuela, please, and then Araya Linville.
Pima County. Where's this at? Oh, here it is.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Brian Alexander Valenzuela, 1169-95.
All right, thank you very much. All right, sir, you are here this evening
Oops.
because
Did I do that?
you
What the
were,
hell?
hold on just a second.
Muy caliente. Ay, thank you, Mela.
I'm going to ask you because you're wearing the orange shirt. Are you in custody on a different
Can't see
matter?
nothing,
Yes,
James.
Your Honor.
The screen's
Okay.
black.
Are you, again, because of the orange shirt, are you DOC or are you,
I've been sentenced to 6 months in county.
okay. All right, so what I'm going to do,
Here we go.
hold on.
All right, cool. Better. Okay, I was in the middle of something. All right, there you go. I found the shirt. It's on the screen for those of you that are interested. It's $14 on eBay. And is that the same shirt, guys? It looks like the same shirt to me. Hey, what up, Debbie? How's it going? Man, she types like my wife when she's mad at work. Let me see. There's court this late on a Friday? What?
So we're going to need to reprint that.
James'
Okay.
favorite shirt was the
All
guy who
right,
was
sir.
sure that, oh, Peepa hit her. Hell
Like I
yeah.
said, you are here because you are here
Have to
on an
find that
initial
shirt.
arrest warrant out of the Santan Justice Court. That initial arrest warrant alleges that on or about May 10th of 2025, you committed the offense of leaving the scene of an accident. That's a Class 1 misdemeanor.
How
In
dare
that
he.
matter, I am appointing you an attorney for limited representation regarding the bond issue only. I am setting a $50 secured appearance bond in that matter. I'm also setting a hearing on October 15th at 8:30 in the Santan Justice Court. Because you will still
Wife
be in
beaters,
custody
as
based on
Sally
what you
said.
told me on the 15th. Officers should
I'm
be
not sure if I'm
able
going
to
to be
arrange
at
for
on
you
for the
to
11th.
appear remotely
Maybe,
at
maybe
that
not. I'm
hearing.
not sure.
Okay, so County will be here to pick me up?
So you should, they'll give you paperwork, but you can, I think, let Pinal County detention officers know
What
that
up,
you
Kristen?
do have this Santan Justice Court matter. And I think the information, as I recall looking at those, there is information
right,
about
Liz.
how you attend those remotely.
Okay,
If
All
anybody
right,
is wondering
go
what I'm
ahead,
eating
step
for
to left.
dinner,
thank you.
All right, Araya Linville.
this is called pollo guisado. It's rice, beef and potatoes, if you will. It's like a stew, if you will.
All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name, please.
Ma'am.
Ray Lingo,
And Ms. Linville, what is your date of birth?
October 31st of 91.
All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2016-145407. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork.
Hey, I think my wife is trying to give me third-degree burns right there with this.
Amber
right here. This thing
Booth,
is
please,
freaking
and then
hot.
Robert Bell.
I almost burned off my family jewels right now putting this thing on my lap. Hey, what's up, Jade? How's it going? Show it, I'm hungry.
Good evening, Your Honor. Amber Rose, please.
And good evening, ma'am. What is your date of birth?
October 4th, 1990.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2024-153465, CR 2025-100551, and CR 2024-15666.
Did she say 5-5?
Okay. CR 2024-156637.
Thank you for that, Daily Heart.
In each of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in each of those matters, I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 24 case ending 3465, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In your 25 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond again in the amount of $150. And in your 24 case ending 6637, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $150.
What is that, $300?
In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. However, I'm asking because of the orange top, are you in custody on other matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Window Court.
You're what?
Window City Court.
Okay. So even if you were to post your bond in the Maricopa County matters, the probation matters, you would still remain in custody on whatever other matter you are hearing. Okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Step to the left. Officers have your paperwork. Robert Bell, please, and then Gerald Baldwin.
Did she have a mullet also? A mohawk and a mullet? How is that possible? All together. Thank you. Thank you, not your babe.
All right, Mr. Bell, go ahead. Say your
Happy
name.
birthday.
Robert Bell,
And Mr. Bell, what is your date of birth?
10/26, 93.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening on two matters. We're going to talk about your new matter first, and we'll talk about your probation case. All right, you were arrested earlier today on charges of possession of narcotic drugs. That's a Class 4 felony, and shoplifting, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Shoplifting removal, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and shoplifting concealment, a second Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for those. I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 and October 20th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I am setting in your new matter a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. Now, you are also here because you are on probation, in your case, CR 2025-135743. In that matter, your new charges for which you were arrested earlier today would constitute an alleged Term 1 violation of your existing probation. In your probation matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your probation case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, because you are on probation, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
All right.
All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officers have your paperwork. Gerald Baldwin, please, and then Antonio Camargo.
Antonio, what? Can you say that 10 times, Your Honor? Violation 50. Hey, what up? Make money?
All right,
Damn.
sir, go ahead and state your
Where's
name.
my stickers? You never said
Gerald
them.
Randy Baldwin,
And Mr. Baldwin, what is your date of birth?
5/31, 1965.
I don't like this guy's glasses.
All right. All right, sir, you are here this
No
evening
bueno.
because Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in your matter, CR 2023-120208. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because if you are
What up,
eligible to
Lindsay?
have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $150. And Giselle, we do need to reprint that.
Hey, thank you,
apologize
Steffi.
for my
Highly
error.
appreciate you. You're welcome. Till you have a collect
In the
offer.
event you are able to post that bond and secure your release because you are on probation, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm still not clear why I am here. I self-surrendered for something else that I thought I had. I'm not
Radio.
sure
Radio that.
that I don't have. And now I have this, and I'm not even sure what it is.
Okay, so this is,
All of a sudden, you
All
don't
right.
know why you're in jail. Come on now.
So
You're too old to be playing
on-
that game. I don't know why I'm here.
okay. So on May 19th of 2025, Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR
Probation?
2023-120208.
What
Okay.
is that, Your Honor?
It was, pulling
What
up
up,
the
Queen?
petition to revoke, okay, so according to the petition to revoke filed May 16th of 25, in that petition to revoke, they alleged 3 violations. Term 3, you failed to report to the Adult Probation Department within 72 hours of release from residential treatment.
Thank you, Steffi.
On April 4th of 25. A violation in Term 5, defendant did not reside in a residence approved by the Adult Probation Department. Whereabouts are unknown since April 11th, 2025. And Term 14, the defendant consumed or possessed a substance containing alcohol on or about 12/22/24, 1/2/2025, 1/3/2025. All right. So based upon that petition to revoke, a warrant was issued for your arrest. You were arrested on that warrant in August of 25, and you saw a commissioner here at in the initial appearance court on August 20th. You were on the 11 a.m. calendar. On August 20th, Commissioner Cawthorn gave you and paperwork with your orders on it, and those orders included your hearing dates, which were August 27th. When you failed to appear for your hearing on your probation violation, a warrant was issued for your arrest. You are
Judge.
now being seen on that failure to appear warrant.
I'd have a phone, Judge.
All right.
I lost
So
the
based
paper,
upon
Judge.
all of that, I am going to go ahead
I have
and
transportation.
affirm that failure to appear warrant bond amount in the amount of $150 secured appearance bond.
$150?
Even if you are able to post that bond, you do need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to left. Officer, have your paperwork for you.
But Judge, I had amnesia.
All right, Antonio
I don't remember.
Camargo.
Do you guys, come on now, man. You're
And
like I said,
then
you're a little bit too old for that
Elias
game right
Sanders.
there. Let me see, laughing out loud. That
All
guy
right, so
arguing
go
for
ahead and say your
150. What up, Brody?
Antonio Camargo,
And Mr. Camargo, what is your date of birth?
04/06/1996.
All right, sir, you are here because the
29.
West Mesa Justice Court issued a warrant for your arrest for failure to appear in their matter stemming out of a September 2018 charge of driving with a suspended or revoked license. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because you are not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you due to the nature of the charge. You can retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on October 28th at 8:30 in the West Mesa Justice Court. Will you go to that?
I have
He
a
was
question though.
arrested.
It's because I'm working right now out of state in Boise, and I was
What up
only
from
here for the
Ireland?
weekend for a wedding. So is there a way
What up,
that I
Pizza
could
Head?
do like a virtual court?
Virtual?
Is there any
You are
possible
in
way I
court
could do that?
virtually.
So you will need to go
shirt, let
ahead
me see.
and talk to the West
Oh, that's
Mesa
Little
Justice
Wayne.
Court about
That's
that.
the Carter.
All right, and
I
go
think
ahead
that's the
and
Carter
look at the
too. Let me look it
information
up.
on their form, okay?
Alright.
Good
All
eye.
right, so I'm
I
going to
didn't
go
see
back
that
to,
shirt.
will you go to that hearing?
Let me see. Little
Well,
Wayne shirt.
I will try to go. Yes, I will. I will. Well, I'll call them, and then if I could reschedule, because I only came for a weekend here because I'm working in Boise. So if I could probably reschedule that maybe to like about maybe like 2-3
Reschedule?
weeks more further,
What?
that'd probably be better.
Better.
Okay.
Oh, I found the
So,
shirt.
sir,
It's
either
$20.
I need you to promise me that you will attend that hearing. If you're not able to
Found
do
it. I
that,
found
I'm
the
going to go
shirt.
ahead and set a bond.
No, I'll be able to make that here.
Okay.
This is the shirt right here. Look. Oh,
All
an
right,
hour
then based
apostle.
upon your promise to appear, I'm going to go ahead and release you this evening on your own recognizance. That hearing information is in your paperwork.
That's the
Just go
shirt,
ahead
right?
and look at your release conditions, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that's
All
the
right,
shirt.
go ahead, Cephala.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice night.
Thank you.
That's a reprint.
Well, I think this shirt's black. The
Yeah,
other
what
one, I
about
think the
you?
one he has on was gray. OMG. Let me see.
All
This
right,
ain't Burger King. You
Ilya
can have it your way.
Sanders, please, and then Patrick Hafner.
See right there.
All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name.
Eli Sanders.
I am so sorry, I mispronounced your name horribly. I
Let's see
apologize.
this for sure.
All right, and what is your date of birth?
August 30th, 2001.
All right, you are here because you were arrested earlier today on charges of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony.
What the hell does that
Based upon the
shirt say?
limited
What's up, Mickey? Thank you.
information that I have in front of me this evening, I'm not finding probable cause for those violations. However, I'm going to give you hearing dates. And although this court found no probable cause for purposes of the initial hearing, I'm advising you that the allegations are not dismissed, and you must still attend the scheduled hearing dates that I'm going to give you because formal charges may nevertheless be filed. I'm further advising you that failure to appear at the hearing dates that I will give you could result in a warrant being issued for your arrest. All right, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 24th at 8:30 and October 28th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court, okay? All right, that information is on your paperwork. The officer will have that for you if you want to go ahead and step left.
Thank you.
Tell him, Kay. Tell him.
All right, Patrick Hafner, please.
I'm about to say, what the hell is this fool talking about? Who hit him upside
All
the
right,
head?
sir,
They
go
hit
ahead
him
and state your name.
Hi, I'm Patrick Matthew Hafner.
And Mr. Hafner, what is your date of birth?
January 5th, 1997.
Patrick
All
is
right,
dressed
sir,
pretty
you
nice.
are here this evening because you were arrested early today
And
on
that
charges
fool's
of possession
tall.
of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. Based upon the limited information that I have in front of me this evening, I'm not finding probable cause for those violations. However, I am advising you that even though I'm not finding probable cause,
Hey, Hulk he's a
I'm
troll.
advising you that the allegations are not dismissed, and you must still attend the scheduled court dates that I will give you because formal charges may nevertheless be filed. I'm further advising you that failure to appear at the court dates that I will give you could result in a warrant being
Alexis,
issued
thank
for
you.
your arrest. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I am appointing you an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 24th at 8:30 and October 28th at 8:30.
Hey,
Both of those are in the
gracias.
downtown Maricopa County Superior Court, and officers will give you paperwork, and it'll have the court dates, times, and locations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Damn! That fool's nothing but legs. Sheen
And you need to
gators.
clear before the next two.
Nah, either Hulk, he's trying to be funny. Every time he comes in, he's always dropping numbers, how many people he has
Sir?
watching him. Come on now. Hey, what are we in, high
I feel
school?
I answered the question that wasn't addressed to me.
Yes, I've been watching
Huh?
you on YT. Thank you, Thumper. Gracias.
Okay, that's fine. So we do have Mr. Irish, though?
Yes, Irish is here.
Okay, we still need to clear before Mr. Irish.
Oh, hey, if you got any type of trauma, trigger warning, trigger warning. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Hector, if you will. We love our. I ain't tripping.
All right, we're going to give them just a second, and then we'll get to you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey, what up, D. Smith?
Okay.
What this fool do? What dastardly deeds did he
Just
do?
a second, sir.
Take your time, Your Honor. We know he did something nasty, though. For sure, for sure. There's no doubt in that. He definitely
We
looks
are
sus.
going to need to reprint
Alexis.
23. Okay. All right, Mr. Irish, go ahead, state your name, please.
Stephen James Irish,
All right,
Steven.
Mr. Irish, what is your date of birth?
April 7th, 1986.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the grand jury in Maricopa County issued a warrant for your arrest. And based upon charges that on or about August 8th of 2024, you committed the offense of failure to register as a sex offender, a class 4 felony.
What?
In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on October 17th at 8:30
Knew it.
in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Pursuant to that grand jury arrest warrant, I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $1,000.
Nurse.
Now, I am going to ask a couple questions. One, because of the orange shirt, are you in custody on a different matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so even if you were to post this $1,000 cash-only appearance bond, you would still remain in custody on that other matter.
Hell yeah.
I also am looking at and seeing that you're on probation. Is that correct?
No, Your Honor.
You're not on probation?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I've been off probation and parole since 2023,
Okay.
or 2024, I'm sorry.
All right. In that case, could we please reprint that? All right, so we're reprinting your paperwork, and I am setting that $1,000 cash-only appearance bond. However, again, even if you were to post it, you would still remain in custody on your other matter.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you want to go ahead and take a seat, we'll get you that paperwork.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am?
Nah, that fool ain't going nowhere.
We do have one house call this evening. Our house call is Eugene Durham. Mr. Durham's date of birth is January 21st, 1989. I understand that Mr. Durham is not able to be with us this evening because Mr. Durham is combative. Mr. Durham was arrested earlier today on charges of failing to register, confirm ID as a sex offender, a class 6 felony, and criminal trespass in the 3rd degree, a class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for both of those. I am appointing him an attorney. I am setting hearings on October 16th at 8:30 and October 20th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In Mr. Durham's case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. In the event that Mr. Durham is able to post that bond and secure his release, he would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring, and he may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. My information is that Mr. Durham is on parole, so he would need to contact his parole officer within 24 hours. All right, and that brings us to the end of our 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar, and we are going to stand adjourned until 11, and we are off the record.
Oh man, hey, this court wasn't too bad. What, about 35 minutes? I would have preferred it a little bit longer for the roster, but maybe the 11 p.m. will be a lot longer. I think I'm gonna be on for the 11 p.m. I'm about 65% certain that I will be back for the 11 p.m. one. Yeah, Angel. The next one is at 11 p.m. Thank you for the follow, and for anybody that's new here, please hit that follow button. It's free 99. You out of your mind? Doesn't cost you a dime. I don't beg for any gifts around here. But I do request that you hit that follow button, tap that screen, and drop comments and share, because all of that helps. It goes hand in hand. Can you message me when you're back? Message you. Hey, jump on my Discord account, and on my Discord account, anybody that wants to be notified when I am on, if you join my, I got it set up where whenever I go live, you'll get a notification on Discord letting you know that I am live. If you want me to send you a link, DM me and I'll send you a link directly to the Discord, if you will. What up, little Tam, if you will. Yeah. Anyhow, yeah. Hey, I do appreciate you guys. I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from. And like I say around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it slices out. And with that, damn, Shannon, what's up? You showing all late, man. I gotta do this for you right here, Shannon. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Man, you're on the late train tonight, if you will. H09727. Thank you for that follow. Highly appreciate you. Little Tam, man. Appreciate you for, dropping it, man. Oh, I'm going to try to make it back for the 11 p.m. court. All right, guys. Hey, I am Collect Call James, and I'm out. A rato y buenas noches. Catch you guys in a bit, all right? Hey, thank you for that, let me see. Hulk, I like James. I watch him. Come on, Hulk, man. Hey, you know what? And about that, look, I really don't care who you guys watch. I could, if you watch that dude, if you want to watch me, you do what you want to do. It's all good. I'm not tripping. But just know that I'm not copying anybody, if you will. Just for the record, to set the record straight, if you will. All right? You guys have a good one, all right? With that, I'm out. You're better. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Steph. All right, let me I'm gonna put my mic on mute over here, and I'll leave the stream up running on the one from YT. Like that. If I do come back, boom, I'll just turn on the camera.
All right, everybody stand up.
Thank you. You may be seated. Good evening. This is the time set for the 11 p.m. initial appearance calendar on October 10th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that was given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I'll call you each one at a time to the podium, and I'll let you know what you are here for, if I have appointed an attorney, if you have a bond, and what your release conditions are. If we could start with Ms. Calvert to the podium and Mr. Stevenson to the chair.
Bueno. I thought you were sleeping. What happened?
May I get your name and date of birth?
Jalissa Calvert, date of birth is 7/3/90.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here today on a grand jury warrant that was issued. It does have an offense date of June 14th, 2025 for 2 counts of aggravated DUI, a class 4 felony. It looks like
Drop on flush one.
in
What's
this
up,
case,
Shannon?
I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you, and you're going to have a couple of hearings. You will have an arraignment hearing October 17th at 8:30, an evidentiary hearing October 17th at 1:30. And at the time of this offense, you were out on felony release for a separate case, and because of that, you're not eligible for bond. The hearing set at 1:30 on October 17th is the time set to determine if bond will be set on these charges. That'll all be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. I do have a paid attorney that's already helped me when I came in originally 2 weeks ago on the 30th for the warrant that was set out for me. So I'm not certain, is this the second warrant or I'm just...
So it looks like you were here on
It just started right now.
September
What up, everyone?
30th at 5 p.m. You were seen by the court on that date. Let's take a look at that. That was for a grand jury warrant with an offense date of August 1st, 2025.
Okay.
This is offense
What up,
date
Matthew?
of June 14th, 2025, so it is a separate case.
Okay, so I'll just keep my paid attorney if that's okay.
Yeah, so I've appointed an attorney to represent you. However, you are welcome to hire an attorney. Just make sure you notify them of this case so they can enter their appearance, and then that way the attorney I appointed won't have to appear, okay?
I appreciate it.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. If you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Appreciate it.
And I want to
Thank
go
you,
and
Your Honor.
welcome everybody to our brand new
Mr.
episode of You Have a
Stevenson to the
Collect Call
podium,
From.
Mr.
And
Utley
this
to
is
the
going to be
chair.
the last court of the night. This is going to be the 11 p.m. Maricopa, Arizona court, if
Can I
you
get your name and
will.
date of birth?
Oh, we got the paper going.
Darrell Stevenson, 52399.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on two cases. It is for a new case as well as a failure to appear bench warrant that was issued. Your new charges are for one count of aggravated assault, a class 4 felony, one count of narcotic drug possession, a class 4 felony,
What up, Bella?
one count of unlawful flight from law enforcement vehicle, a class 5 felony, one count of drug paraphernalia possession, a class 6 felony, and one count of failure to obey a police officer, a class 2 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. On the case that you failed to appear at, it looks like that relates to a narcotic drug possession charge. I'm going to affirm the attorney previously appointed to represent you and give you some hearing dates for these cases. You have a status conference October 16th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30, along with an evidentiary hearing October 20th at 1:30. In the case where you failed to appear for the narcotic drug charge, you do have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. However, in your new charges, because you were out on felony release at the time of this offense, you're not eligible for bond on your new case. So even if you were to post the bond of $500, you wouldn't be released. The time set for October 20th at 1:30, that's the time set to determine if bond will be set on these new charges. Until then, you will remain in custody. Did you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, if you'll take a step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Hey, my daughter was clowning me right now. She
Mr.
was roasting
Utley
me.
to
She
the
was like,
podium.
you only got 7 people
Derek
watching you.
Scherner to the chair.
Damn it. What up, Sierra?
your
I
name
thought
and
you
date of
had a
birth?
baby like a couple.
January 13, 2002.
She's
Thank you,
she's
sir. It does
about to
look
turn
like you
7.
are here on a new case along with a failure to appear bench warrant. Your new charges is for one count of theft means of transportation, a class 3 felony, and one count of dangerous drug possession, a class 4 felony.
Dan?
Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you in that case. Your failure to appear case relates also to a theft means of transportation case, and I'm going to I'm going to affirm the attorney previously appointed to represent you and give you some hearing dates. You have a status conference October 16th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30, and an evidentiary hearing October 20th at 1:30. On the case you failed to appear at, you have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000. However, because you were out on felony release at the time of your new offense, your new charges, you're not eligible for bond. So even if you were to post that bond, you would remain in custody. That hearing set on October 20th at 1:30, that's the time set to determine if bond will be set on your new charges. Until then, you will remain in custody. Did you have any questions? If you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Mr. Scherner to the podium and Mr. Kane to the chair.
That's not enough. I need 10,000.
Can we get your name and date of birth?
Derek Philip Schneider, June 29th,
Why you so
1971.
mean?
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case. It is for one count of aggravated assault involving a deadly weapon or a dangerous instrument, a class 3 felony.
Hey, Patrick, thank you.
Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you.
67.
You will have a status conference October 16th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $25,000. In the event that bond is posted, you do have written conditions of release.
I don't have
Some
nobody
of those
more
things
watching.
include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness, and you may not possess any weapons. All of this will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
Yeah, I'm the victim of this person in a previous crime. He's pending charges right now on in Peoria. I dropped those charges, but they picked him up anyway. Can we just waive pre-trial and move to the next, pre-trial conference?
So you can talk to your attorney about that. Today is not the time to do that. Your attorney's not here and the state's
Okay, I
not
thought
here.
maybe I could enter it.
Unfortunately, you can't enter anything today. You'll meet with that attorney on October 16th, okay?
Okay.
All right,
All right.
step to your left. The officer will get you that paperwork. Thank you, sir.
Here.
Mr. Kane to the podium, Ms. Diaz to the chair.
Yeah, but somebody will come right now. Hold on. So what kind of filter do you want to put? She wants to put filters.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Which filter should I
George
put?
Kane, 21675.
Thank you, sir. You are here on a new case. It is for 1 count of shoplifting, a Class 4 felony, and 1 count of criminal damage, a Class 2 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You have a status conference October 16th at 8:30.
What kind of shirt
a
is that?
preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond of $500. In the event that bond is posted, you do have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of this will be in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
Thank you.
Step to your left. The officer will get you that paperwork. Thank you, sir.
This one?
Ms. Diaz to the podium, Mr. Gonzalez to the chair.
Oh no, this is happening to me. Move away from the camera. Move away. Diaz, wake up. Despiértate. It's wake up time. It's time for court, homeboy. It's time to sleep right now. This guy over here sleeping.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Raquel Diaz.
Can you repeat your first name?
Raquel.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a probation violation warrant with allegations you violated terms 3, 5, and 7. I'm appointing an attorney to represent you and setting a probation revocation hearing October 17th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Am I being released or am I going?
You have a bond of $500. If you don't post that bond, you will remain in custody. Anything further?
No, ma'am.
If you'll please step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Thank
Go?
you.
Okay.
Mr. Gonzalez to the podium, Mr. Flores to the chair.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. This one? Okay, right now when they come.
Over here, sir.
Oh, they got me.
May I get your name and date of birth?
There. Oh, where's this fool going?
And your date of birth.
41488.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on 3 cases. They are all failure to appear bench warrants that were issued. It looks like you have 3 separate cases for pending drug charges. I'm affirming the attorney previously appointed to represent you and setting a status conference October 20th at 8:30 in the morning on each of your cases. You have a secured appearance bond of $2,000 in each case. That's a total bond of $6,000. In the event you do post that bond, you have written conditions of release. It does include not possessing drugs without a valid prescription, not driving a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, and then you'll need to ensure you attend all future hearings. If you were to fail to appear again, another warrant would issue and you forfeit any bond you posted. Do you have any questions, sir? Thank you. Step to your left.
No, it's not putting it on me.
I had to post bond, so I'm staying until the status conference.
If you don't post bond, you will stay in custody until at least the status conference on October
How
20th.
much is that?
Your bond is $6,000.
Okay, can we reduce that by chance?
Not today, sir. It doesn't look like you've been appearing at your hearing, so I do have some concerns about whether or not you will
What up,
appear.
Bree?
You can make that motion to the court with your attorney on October 20th if they feel that's appropriate, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. Mr. Flores to the podium, Mr. Smith to the chair.
Oh, right now when they come back right now we'll put them. The last
Can
one.
I get your name and date of birth?
Daniel Flores, 6/8/1959.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a warrant from the Tolleson Municipal Court. It does relate to an offense date of August 9th, 2025
What is he doing with
for
his mouth?
criminal damage and disorderly conduct. This warrant issued August 21st, 2025. Are you currently in custody on anything else at this time?
Yes, I have criminal, criminal damage.
Okay, so you're currently here on another case? Okay. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you and set an arraignment hearing October 20th at 8:30 in the Tolleson Municipal Court. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $50. This would be in addition to any bond on your other cases. If that bond is posted, you will have written conditions of release. You may not possess drugs without a valid prescription. You may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, and then you'll need to ensure that you attend your hearings, okay?
Sure.
All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
I have the same day as the same court date on the 20th for here.
For your other case?
Yeah, for here.
Okay.
Same day.
The officers will be able to work it out if that
Okay.
means they have to move it. They should be aware if you're already in custody on that
All
other
right.
case, okay?
All right.
All right, good luck, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. He's a chuco. Viejo
Edmund
chuco.
to the podium. Joshua to the chair.
Hey, hey, he didn't have any teeth, huh? Which one? This one? Okay, right now when the next person comes right now, I'll put it on. Okay,
Can I get your name and date of birth?
What up, Nicole?
Edmund Smith,
Ooh,
05,
we got a limper.
1987.
Thank you, sir. You are here on a new case. It is for 1 count of resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony, and 1 count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You will have a status conference October 24th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing October 28th at 8:30, both in the downtown Superior Courthouse. I am going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services. You do have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, witness, and you may not possess any weapons. You're also going to get an envelope with your paperwork. You need to read those instructions and contact pretrial services once you've been released. And then you'll need to ensure that you attend all of your hearings. If you were to fail to appear, a warrant would issue, and then you'd be held on bond at your next hearing.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Hey, what
Okay,
up,
so step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Invisible lollipop.
Joshua to the
Invisible
podium.
lollipop.
Ishmael to the chair.
Hey, what up, Gio? You
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Joshua Kabza, March 12th, 1987.
Thank you, sir. You are here on a new case for 1 count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found. However, due to the nature of your charge, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel. You will have an arraignment hearing October 28th at 2 p.m. in the Buckeye Municipal Court. I am going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear at that hearing, but you do have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. If you reside at the same location as the alleged victim, then you will have to find an alternative residence. You may contact law enforcement for 1 civil standby. And it's my understanding that you have a child in common with the alleged victim. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is not a parenting time order, so I have included instructions in here that you may contact the alleged victim solely for the purpose of parenting time, but that's only through email and text. All of that is outlined in your paperwork.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, so step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Thank you, sir.
He looks much better like that.
Good evening. Do I have a Spanish interpreter on the line?
What the what? Oh, man, we're only 12 minutes in. There we got a Spanish
Let me know when I can
interpreter.
introduce myself in Spanish, please.
Damn it.
Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Y este compa aquí.
Hola, mi nombre es Justo y yo seré su intérprete de español el día de hoy, ¿ok?
Buenas noches.
Ok, está bien.
You can
Good
speak
evening,
now,
sir.
ma'am.
May I please get your name and date of birth?
Oh, snap. Hold on.
¿Me dices, por favor, tu nombre y tu fecha de nacimiento?
Ismael Villaseñor y 12 de febrero del 85.
He's from 85, 1985.
February 12th of 1985. My name is Ismael Diaz.
Thank you, sir. You are here today on 2 cases. The first one is a new case.
Oh, he gave me the eyes.
El
There,
día de hoy
back to
estás
you,
por
buddy.
2 casos. El primer caso es un caso nuevo.
1 count of aggravated assault, a Class 3 felony.
El primer caso es de un asalto agravado, clase 3 de crimen.
1 count of aggravated assault, a Class 6 felony.
Y otro caso agravado de asalto, clase 6 de crimen.
1 count of criminal damage, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
Y también uno caso de daño criminal de caso 1.
Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you.
Hay causa probable encontrada y voy a darte un abogado para que te represente.
Okay. You will have a hearing October 16th and October 20th at 8:30 in the morning.
Vas a tener una cita en la corte el 16 de octubre y el 20 de octubre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Your second case is your probation case.
El segundo caso es tu caso de probación.
When you're picked up for a new offense, it is a Term 1 violation.
Cuando hiciste las ofensas es una violación de caso 1.
I am appointing an attorney and setting a hearing October 17th at 8:30 in the morning.
También te voy a dar un abogado para eso y te saqué cita para el octubre 17 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
On your new charges, you have a bond of $50,000, and on your probation case, a bond of $2,500.
Sorry, ma'am, this is your interpreter speaking. When you say 2,500, you say 25,000 or 2,500?
For the probation case, it's $2,500.
Wonderful. Okay. Las fianzas de ambos casos para el primero es de $5,000 y para el segundo, el de probación, es de $2,500.
If you post bond, you have written conditions of release.
Y si lo pospones, tienes condiciones que están escritas para tu liberación.
You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime or contact the alleged victim.
No puedes ni volver a la escena del crimen ni hablar con los involucrados en el
Those
crimen.
eyes definitely make him look
And you
a
must
lot
contact your
guilty.
probation officer within 72 hours of release.
Y vas a poder hacer contacto con tu oficial de probación luego 72 horas después de que te liberen.
All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Toda esta información va a estar en tu papeleo bien detallada. ¿Tienes alguna pregunta?
Sí, lo que hice es que me defendí porque me sacó un arma el señor, y como tengo problemas con el PTSD, me sentí como en peligro, entré en pánico, por eso le pegué con lo que le pegué al señor, al conductor.
Un chingazo.
Yeah, I just wanted to add that it was in self-defense. The driver had a gun, and I'm pretty sure that
a
activated
knife.
my PTSD.
The driver had a knife.
So, yeah,
What up,
knife,
Harley?
That activated my PTSD, and that's why I hit the driver.
So I have found probable cause today, but I have appointed an attorney to represent you.
Encontré causa probable el día de hoy, pero ya tienes un abogado para que te represente en eso.
Okay.
Any defense you have, you should bring up to your attorney at the hearing on October 16th.
Cualquier defensa que tengas se la tienes que decir a tu abogado en la audiencia el 16 de octubre.
Sí, okay.
If you will step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork.
Si vas a tu izquierda, el oficial te va a dar tu papeleo.
Next on the Price is
This does
Wrong.
conclude our Spanish matter this evening. I do appreciate your assistance. Feel free to disconnect at your convenience.
My pleasure, ma'am. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and shift.
Yeah, I would not been
you
disclosing any of that in open court. Hell no. That's something I would have talked to my lawyer about. Definitely, I would not put that on the record.
Can we clear the courtroom for our last case?
Hey, if you ever had any childhood trauma, you're probably gonna want to step out. This is probably gonna open up some old wounds, and I don't want to be part of any of that, if you will. So heads
Hi,
up.
Mr. Hart, to the podium.
Heads up. Come on down. Let's see what this POS did. It's nothing good if they clear out the courtroom, if you will.
Can you get your name and date of birth?
Thomas William Hart III, August 22nd, 1964.
Thank you, sir. You are here on 2 cases. The first one is for new charges. The other one is your probation case. Your new charges are for 1 count of dangerous drug possession, a Class 4 felony, 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony, and 1 count of public indecent exposure, a Class 5 felony.
What?
Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. Your probation case, because you were on probation and you were picked up for a new offense, it is a Term 1 violation. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you in that case as well.
Appreciate you.
You have a status conference October 16th at 8:30, a probation revocation hearing October 17th at 8:30, and a preliminary hearing October 20th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of a cash bond of $25,000 in your new case and $500 on your probation case. In the event you do post that bond, you will be released to the supervision of pretrial services and equipped with electronic monitoring. You will also have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, witness, or any minors.
He looks old.
Because you're on probation, you'll also need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of this is in your paperwork, sir. Did you have any questions?
So I probably won't be getting out until I go to court next time?
If you don't post bond, you will remain in custody until at least your next hearing, which is October 16th. You'll meet with your attorney at that time. Anything further?
No.
Okay, if you'll step to your left, the officer will get you that paperwork. Thank you, sir.
Hey, I got
This
so
does
much to
conclude
say
our
right
11 p.m. calendar, and we will now stand in recess until 2 a.m.
So many questions. Hey, how hard is it to keep your wiener in your pants? Really, like why? What goes through your mind that you want to go ahead and expose yourself to people in the public? Who does that? What goes through your mind? The thoughts. I don't know. It's just not computing. I'm not understanding over here. No Nintendo, if you will. Man, hey Velma, thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you. Maybe it's the metheny. Maybe he's the metheny that's bringing out the freak in him. I don't know. No say. I mean, like I said, I've never indulged in any type of illegal substances or whatnot. And from what I hear, like metheny is one of those. If that's what he's on, it might be the cause of him, wanting to pull out his wiener, if you will. I don't know. Mathine, right? Nice court outfit. Thank you, Amy. Highly appreciated. I just added these right now on the air. I was cleaning some of my daughter's things, and I came across this little light here. Hey, thank you, Matthew. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in, and appreciate you guys. I see there's 79 people watching on one stream, 24 on the other, and then we have 6 people on YT. For those of you that are watching on TikTok, just know that all these videos are always archived on a daily basis on YT. So if you want to go back and get some replays, go ahead and take a little stroll to YT and hit that follow button. We're trying to hit 10,000 followers. We got like 8,000 and some change. So hopefully before the year is over, we were able to get reach 10,000. Hey, what up, Tommy? How's it going? And I appreciate you guys. Anyhow, hey guys, tomorrow I probably won't be on because I got a lot of stuff going on, and then I don't want my wife to give me like some crazy looks. Just sub. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate that, Blaze. Highly appreciate you. Let me see. I'm good on yourself, man. I'm about to go. Gonna go. My wife's showering right now, so I'm gonna go get the bed ready. You know what I'm saying? So we can watch some 98 Day Fiance. We're about to watch Life After Lockup, if you will, Friday nights. Anyhow, hey, I do appreciate you guys. I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from, and like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. And remember, people, don't commit crimes, especially in Maricopa County or Piedmont County, because if not, you might end up here. Not the bed ready. Get the bed ready. You know what I'm saying? Shh. I might be doing some indecent exposuring, if you will, if you catch my drift, if you will. But this is gonna be with willing participants, if you will. Good night, Velma. Highly appreciate you guys. Don't trip. You guys won't be seeing me on here, Anyhow, hey, I'm Collect Call James, and with that, I'm out. Rato, and have a good night, all right? Ay. I'm done.